The spelling icon in the proofing group of the Review tab is used to check the spellings in your workbook. While entering data, if some spelling mistakes have been made, the spelling checker locates the misspelled words and proposes the correct spelling. Place the cursor at the beginning of your worksheet or from wherever you want to start checking for errors. Click Spelling or use the keyboard shortcut F7. In the spelling window, if a spelling is found to be wrong, options are displayed in the suggestions box from the spelling checker's dictionary. Select the correct word from the list. You can click the Change button to change the misspelled word. If there is more than one occurrence of the same word spelled wrongly, click Change All. If a spelling is correct but shown as incorrect for some reason, click on Ignore Once or Ignore All, whichever is appropriate. When you click on any button such as Change, Ignore Once, etc., the spelling checker moves to the next word. If you have changed a word which you did not want to, you can click Undo Last. Some words, such as proper nouns, which are not really errors, may be shown as spelling mistakes. Here, the name Kleinman is marked out as a spelling mistake. You may add such words to the dictionary by clicking the Add to Dictionary button. When the checking is completed for the entire worksheet, a message saying so is displayed. Click OK. The thesaurus icon in the proofing group of the Review tab is used to find a word with a similar meaning to a word in your worksheet. Say, you want to find another word for the word Notes in cell E6. Select the cell and click Thesaurus. In the pane at the right, you see a list of similar words. Point to the word you find most suitable. Then click the down arrow next to it and select Insert. The selected word replaces the original word in the cell now. Close the thesaurus pane.